Chapter 14. The future tense. The future simple is used to denote a single act that is still to take place, as I shall go to the cinema tomorrow. I shall be 60 next Friday. The future continuous denotes an action as going on at some point in future time, as I shall be reading my book then. We shall be waiting for her when she returns home. The future perfect denotes an action that will be completed at some point in future time, as I shall have finished my homework by the time she returns home. I shall have finished this exercise by 10 o'clock. You will have met your mother before I see you again. Nobody will have taken anything from you when you go home this afternoon. I hope you will have washed your face before you come to the school. We shall have written something in our notebooks by the time the school finishes. We shall have reached the station before the train starts. You will have heard this news already. They will have spent all their money by then. The future perfect continuous, I shall have been writing, means that the action of writing, whether finished or unfinished, will have been in progress for some time. We shall have been playing for 3 hours when you come here. They will have been making preparations for the marriage for 2 months. I shall have been speaking to you for half an hour when this lesson ends. You will have been learning English for 2 years by the end of this year. Ashok will have been living in Jaipur for 10 years by the end of this month.